Hello everyone. My name is Jagdish and I am working in a private organization. I want to tell you the secret of achieving financial freedom while you are working. Uh, like everyone, have been investing in stock market from last 15 years, but I could not achieve great success because most of the time we take without the knowledge we take wrong decisions. Like we buy at the wrong time and we sell at the wrong time, and later we come to know that after we place our sell order, the stock has moved much beyond our selling price. So I was wondering what is going wrong with me. So then I was really searching for a mentor, a very good mentor on long-term basis, who can guide me for a systematic investment and through which I can achieve my financial freedom. So then, through one of my friend reference, I came to know about Mr. Modit Masay, and I attended one of his webinar. It was really eye opener for me. That was a really a game changing day for me, and I took a decision to become a membership of his financial investors hub, which is run by Mr. Modit Masay. Uh, from then on, I'm really excited. It has been a very exciting journey ever since I'm associated with Mr. Modit Mese, because he gives a systematic way of investment, and he gives some a strategy from where you can make a monthly income. So though for a working professional like us, where we cannot keep on watching the stock market every day, we cannot have a track of stock market every day because we'll be busy in our work. So we need some guidance from someone, and Mr. Modit Mese has helped me a lot. And I'm very glad to be associated with financial freedom, because from last 6 months, through his monthly income strategies, I have earned more than 80,000, and I'm looking forward, because I'm a full-time worker, and I cannot give more time for day-to-day stock trading activities. But I'm very confident that through my association to for financial freedom, I can really achieve the freedom very fast. Because I've earned 80,000 in just 3 4 months, and it gives lot of confidence. And every week he takes a live session for all his members, which is really exciting. It gives lot of information. You understand what's going on in the stock market. I recommend everyone to become, if you want to really have a financial freedom, I recommend Mr. To become a member of Mr. Modit Mess's Financial Freedom. Thank you everyone.